Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade Caesar salad dressing. Crafting your own dressing from scratch is incredibly rewarding and tastes far superior to store-bought versions. We will start by gathering all the essential fresh ingredients. Using high-quality components like fresh lemon juice and good olive oil makes a significant difference in the final flavor. Let's get started on this delicious culinary journey. Now, let's dive into the mixing process to create that signature creamy texture. Begin by finely mincing your garlic and anchovies. This ensures their flavors are well distributed. Next, combine the egg yolk, Dijon mustard, and lemon juice in a bowl. The key step is slowly drizzling in the olive oil while whisking constantly. This careful emulsification is what gives Caesar dressing its luxurious, thick consistency. Once your dressing is emulsified, it's time to perfect its flavor profile. This is where you can truly make it your own. Taste the dressing and adjust the salt and pepper to your liking. If you prefer a brighter, tangier dressing, add a bit more fresh lemon juice. For a deeper, more savory note, a dash more Worcestershire sauce works wonders. You can also thin it slightly with water if desired. Finally, let's talk about storing and serving your freshly made Caesar dressing. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will remain delicious for about 3 to 5 days. When ready to serve, simply toss it with crisp romaine lettuce, homemade croutons, and generous shavings of Parmesan cheese for a classic Caesar salad. It's also fantastic as a dip for vegetables or a dressing for other green salads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.